Thank you for your interest in the Niagara Region 2021 Biosolids Management Master Plan Update. We've just initiated the project, and we look forward to sharing some initial project information with you. Hi, I'm Laura Verhaeg. I'm part of the project team with GM Blueplan Engineering. Along with consulting firms SEMA Plus and Black & Beach, we will continue to work closely with the Niagara region to define the vision for long-term biosolids management across the region. Let's have a look at the background information that supports the master plan. Niagara region is growing. More people means more wastewater, which also means more biosolids, and a higher demand for treatment and management of these materials. What do we mean by biosolids? Biosolids are the organic materials resulting from the physical, chemical, and biological treatment of sewage sludge generated at wastewater treatment plants. Biosolids can act as a fertilizer when land applied and have other potential beneficial uses. Niagara region currently land applies their biosolids, as well as the solid residuals produced through their water treatment plants. This study is following the class environmental assessment process for master plan projects, which identifies the problem or opportunity, develops and evaluates alternative solutions, and consults with the public and other stakeholders. The purpose of this biosolids management master plan update is to develop a holistic, long-term strategy for biosolids management in Niagara in a manner that is transparent, sustainable, reliable, environmentally friendly, cost-effective, and flexible. This will include evaluating the existing program, identifying current limitations, investigating a range of biosolids management options, and selecting the preferred strategy that meets the region's needs now and in the future. This Public Information Center will provide an opportunity for the public and stakeholders to learn about the region's current approach to biosolids management and future needs, and to obtain your feedback on alternative solutions and the criteria used to evaluate these solutions. You are able to submit questions and comments at the email address shown here for the next 2 weeks, or through the link on the project website under the Get Involved tab. The area included in the study encompasses the entirety of the Niagara region. Although Wainfleet does not have water or wastewater servicing, biosolids are land applied in Wainfleet, and it is therefore included in the study area. Currently, Niagara region sends their liquid biosolids and a portion of water treatment plant residuals to the Garner Road Biosolids facility in Niagara Falls. The remaining water residuals are sent to the sewer for processing at the wastewater treatment plants. Some of the liquid biosolids from the Garner Road facility are then land applied directly, while the remaining biosolids are dewatered and sent to the Walker Environmental Facility. The liquid biosolids and residuals, which make up about 50% of the total biosolids produced in Niagara region, are hauled by a third-party contractor, Thomas Nutrient Solutions, to the Garner Road Biosolids facility, where they are stored and thickened in lagoons. They are then applied as a liquid fertilizer on agricultural land by Thomas Nutrient Solutions. Dewatered biosolids from the Garner Road Biosolids facility and the Niagara Falls wastewater treatment plant, which make up the other 50% of biosolids produced in the region, are hauled to the Walker Environmental Facility in Niagara Falls, where they are processed using alkaline stabilization, also known as the Enviro process. The high solids nutrient-rich product is then land applied as a cake fertilizer. For further details on Garner Road and the Walker Environmental Facility, as well as the region's wastewater and water treatment plants, please refer to the interactive maps on the project website. Our approach to developing the preferred biosolids management strategy consists of 5 steps. First, we've developed a long list of alternative treatment technologies and alternative end-use markets. Second, we will screen each alternative based on must-have criteria. Third, we will develop alternative biosolids management strategies that combine the screen lists of technologies, products, and end-use markets. Fourth, we will complete a detailed evaluation of the biosolids management strategies. And finally, we will develop the recommended biosolids management plan. The long list of biosolids end-use markets consists of land application, such as agricultural and landscaping, energy production through creation of syngas or biochar, industrial products such as cement additives, and landfilling. Different technologies can be used to stabilize the biosolids, depending on whether biosolids are in the form of liquid or cake. The long list of technologies includes options to process both liquid biosolids, such as digestion and chemical treatment, and biosolids cake, such as composting, thermal, or alkaline treatment. The long list of alternative technologies and end-use markets will be screened based on the maturity of the technology or market, compatibility with existing treatment processes and contracts, long-term reliability and sustainability, and the ability to implement the solution. Any alternatives that do not pass these basic requirements will be screened out at this stage and not reviewed further. Based on the outcome of the screening level evaluation, we will develop a list of biosolids management strategies that combine technologies with compatible products and end-use markets. Each of these strategies will be evaluated in more detail. Several example strategies are provided here. The detailed evaluation will be based on 4 categories of criteria: natural environment, socio-cultural environment, technical considerations, and economic or cost considerations. We have developed a draft list of criteria and are interested in your opinion as to whether there are other criterion to consider and what criteria are of the highest priority to you. At this stage, we've developed the long list of alternatives and will next proceed with completing the screening level evaluation with consideration for any public feedback received following this Public Information Center. Please provide any questions or comments you may have by June 28, 2022 through the website link. We will respond to all comments and consider them in the development of the Biosolids Management Master Plan update. We are planning a second Public Information Center later this year to present the outcome of the detailed evaluation of strategies and the proposed Biosolids Management Plan going forward to obtain further input from you. We expect to file the Biosolids Management Master Plan Update Report for a 30-day public review period early in 2023. We welcome your feedback and encourage you to get involved. You can sign up to automatically receive notifications related to this study at the link below. You can also submit comments through the project survey link below. Please also refer to our project page on Niagara Region's website. There is helpful background, as well as more detailed information related to the materials for this Public Information Center. Now, on behalf of the Niagara Region, we appreciate that you have taken the time to watch this video and look forward to receiving your input. So again, thank you for your interest in the Niagara Region Biosolids Management Master Plan Update.